Here's a fun way to keep your furry friends entertained without spending a fortune on dog toys. Cut off the end of a leg or sleeve on an old pair of jeans or shirt. Roll into a donut shape, like this. Cut off a long denim strip from the same jeans or shirt, wrap the strip around the donut to secure its shape, and tie the ends together with a knot. How do you like that, my friends? Or try this. Cut some wide strips from an old t-shirt, like this. Then lay them in a cross shape. Place the tennis ball in the middle of the cross and wrap it up in the t-shirt strips. Put another thin strip around to hold the ball in place. Then tease out the tails and cut these into thinner strips. Plait these together like this. And this. Then you've got a dog toy octopus. What do you think of that, little fella?